Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Hmm? So we were doing government lesson, right? So we come to know about government from different social medias, right? Then we also saw this types of government, our country, our government. Yes or no? Then we saw three types of government. Remember or forgot? Huh? No problem. We will revise it once. All of you forgot? Yes, monitor it better.
Yes, ma'am. Our country, India, is the largest
Demo,
democracy
democracy.
democracy in the world. Elders do the administration and management of the home. Similarly, the administration of a country is done by the government. We, we hear the word government in daily newspapers, television, or in conversation. Government is needed to run the administration of nation and to take decisions. Government works in the planned way for the development of the country, keeping constitution in mind for nation in reformation and
Implementation.
implementation is done by the government. The government of our country is elected through voting by people.
Yes, all of you remember now? Yes, by voting we elect our government, right? Yes. Continue later.
Seeing the above picture, we can know about various functions, decisions, and advertisements of the government. We can get the information about various functions of the government by reading daily newspapers and magazines available in our surroundings. Democracy means of the people, by the people, for the people. The democratic system of government holds the foremost place.
Place. Yes, government holds a foremost place. And in democracy means what? We have a government which is for the people, with the people, and by the people. Yes, it means we are at the center. Yes or no? Rabia. Understood everyone?
Yes,
Hmm.
Yes, ma'am.
Continue. Yes, beta, continue. Our country.
our country, our government. Our country is a country of diversity. Ours is the largest
Democracy.
democracy in the world with the maximum number of voters. Due to the vastness and diversity of the country, it is
Okay.
difficult to manage from one place. That's why government works at various levels to administer smoothly against some problems and difficulties. Local self-government, state government, and central government work in the democratic system of governance.
Hmm. Okay. So our country is a country of diversity, right? Many people, many different people live in our country in diverse unity in diversity. We had learned this. Remember? Huh? So it as it is because of its vastness, one person cannot sit at one place and handle the entire country. Can he or she handle it from one place? No, right? So what it is to be administered smoothly against some problems and difficulties. Everyone has to work accordingly, right? and local self-government, state government, and central government work in what type in democratic system of governance, right? We have three levels of government. Yes, Kadri Rabbe, which are those three levels? Which are those three
Local
levels?
government, state
Huh?
government, central government.
Yes, and how does they work? How do they work? Local whatever works takes the charge of
Village,
only village.
village or city.
Yes, and the
Then state
state.
government takes the charge of entire state, and
हाँ,
central government takes the charge of nation, entire
yes,
nation.
entire nation है ना? Modesa, Zainab. What does the state government take the charge of?
Entire village, village or city, entire state or entire nation.
हाँ, understood? So it is at various levels, different levels, right? Yes. Continue, beta. Yes, everyone is able to recall now what we had done in the last class.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Chalo.
Government is necessary at various levels. These ways of governance are very useful for formation and implementation of rules. We have learned about government and its various levels. These levels are useful for development and maintenance of law and order. Democratic system has been adopted in our country. The text of government and governance depending on its structure. Variations are seen in governance system.
Hmm. Understood, everyone? Any doubt till here? Now we will see types of government, three types. In the world, we have three types of governments, okay? Democratic, then communist and monarchy, okay? Yes, clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yes, continue, beta.
Democratic government. In this system of government, people elect their representative through voting. The government is formed by the winning candidates. Government functions keeping the public in the center in the democracy. Local government, state government, and central government are formed through the election. In some countries, chief minister or a prime minister is elected by the elected representative democracy. In some countries of the world, a presidential democracy is seen. In India, there is a parliamentary democracy.
It is said,
It is said for democracy, the government is run by the people directly in or indirectly through election. There is no alternative of democracy for protection and promotion of human rights. Thus, democratic government is very important for around for all round development and rights of the people. In democratic government, people play an important role. Government also works for the people. The, the tenure
tenure.
the tenure of elected government is our country is 5 years.
Yes, my dear students, understood till here?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Rabia, can you elaborate what is democratic government? I had explained in the last class. Do you remember, beta? You can read and explain also.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in democratic government, people are the king. They
Huh?
public is the king. They vote and make the government win.
Hmm.
And this is for the people, by the people, and with the people.
And they work for the
Yes,
selected elected government, they work for the people, right?
yes. And in democratic government, uh, there is no force, or there is nothing like uh, this person is only going to be the queen,
Hmm.
king, government.
Huh.
People elect the government, people give their choice, and uh, they make their choice win.
Huh.
So here, every work is done for the people and with the people, and here
By the
people are the king and people are in the middle.
they are the decision maker, right? And the most important thing, the tenure of elected government is in our country is 5 years. Okay. Okay. And directly or indirectly, we select by election. We select through election. Yes or no? Hello. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now we will say communist government. Okay. Yes. Rabia, will you read this communist government?
Yes, ma'am. Communist government. In this type of governance, the importance of equality or similarity is given to all. The government working or operating on the basis of communism manages the system of governance on the basis of equality or similarity. In many
Orne
countries,
and equality and similarity. Orne, it's not a, you cannot
yes,
bifurcate equality and similarity. They are all together. Okay. Hmm. Very good.
in many countries of the world, government working on the ideology of communism is seen. In some countries of the world, communist government is formed through election. There are many examples of some rulers forming a government based on communist ideology and becoming the sole ruler in the long run. The administration and governance is done considering economical, ideological, and
Intellectual,
intellectual equality among workers, laborers, and
laborers. No problem. You
some
can skip some
some
rulers who
rules
rule.
who some rulers who rule individually or forcibly have left communism and adopted monarchy or the
Dictatorship.
dictatorship. Communist ideology is known in the world as the lefty leftist
Leftist
ideology.
ideology or debris ideology. I have sent you the notes of this lesson, no, girls? Have I sent you the notes of this lesson, Rabia?
Yes, ma'am.
है ना तो उन सब
I'm
में ये
yes.
यस एमसीक्यू और ट्रू और फॉल्स में है ये क्वेश्चन आंसर्स राइट एंड नाउ वी विल सी मोनार्की राइट मोनार्की इज व्हाट टाइप ऑफ गवर्नमेंट बेटा where one person rules, okay, one person is the ruler. Now beta what happens when one person is ruler, what will happen, he will try to do whatever he wants to do for his society, है ना, he will not think of everyone, उनके लिए वो ज्यादा काम करेंगे. So what will happen, such type of rulers benefit people will be less benefited, है ना, people will be less benefited and the ruler will be more benefited, right? So monarchy government was there but it was very in the initial stages, बहुत सालों पहले, right? In the ancient culture monarchy government was there where the king is the decision maker, understood? जहाँ पे कौन डिसीजन लेता है, किंग, है ना. तो इस टाइप के गवर्नमेंट अभी तो कम दिखते हैं बट इट वाज इन द अर्ली स्टेज, इट वाज अ लॉट ऑफ देयर, अंडरस्टूड ऑल ऑफ यू? यस, monarchy government. Yes, Modi sir will read monarchy government.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Modi sir.
Hello.
हाँ बेटा, read monarchy.
Yes, ma'am. In this type of government, any one person government ruled as a ruler. Generally, the title of ruler is in,
Of ruler is inherited.
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 Inherited. People do not have people do not have right to lose their ruler. This in this type of government today, monarchy is seen in seen in some countries of the world. At some places in monarchy, elections are held for name scales. In monarchy, the ruler takes that decisions, keeping himself in the center. The decisions taken by one person here is considered the final emphasis. The final emphasis is placed on the well-being and converse
Convenience.
and
Convenience.
conven- convenience of the one person.
Hmm.
Here is considered here considered of the conveniences of the ruler rather than people's.
Okay, very good. Chalo. Thank you, Madhesa. So, monitor what we are seeing in the monarchical government where who is the leader? Who is the leader in monarchy government? Monitor. Huh? Okay, I'll explain once more. In this type of government, any one person governs as a ruler. Who governs as a ruler? Any one person. है ना? Generally, the title of the ruler is inherited. Inherited means it comes from father to son or son to his son, grandfather to father, like this way, right? Hereditary में आता है, right? People do not have right to choose. Inherited also के मतलब कि ये भी होता है कि it is going to be final कि भाई बोल दिया जाए कि this is your king, he is your ruler, right? And they don't have a right to choose their ruler, right? You don't have a right to choose the ruler whether you like or don't like. You have to keep this ruler only, right? But today monarchy is seen only in some countries of the world, not all, but only in some, very few you can see, right? At some places in monarchy elections are held for just for the namesake. Elections तो होता ही है, but only for the namesake. खाली नाम नाम के लिए होता है elections, right? In monarchy, the rulers take the decisions keeping himself in the center. किसको center में रखे? खुद को center में रख के decide करते हैं सब कुछ, है ना? And the decisions taken by one person here is considered the final decision. Decision कैसा consider करते हैं? The final decision, okay? And the emphasis is placed on the well-being and convenience of the ruler than the peoples. Is it clear, everyone? Huh?
Yes.
Okay. Rabia clear? Modesa clear? Modesa, Rabia clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes. Now who else is present? Who else is there? Imran Qureshi is who?
Qureshi
Ma'am.
Aksha.
Okay, Aksha. Aksha, will you read this? Value of democracy?
Yes, ma'am. The values of democracy. We have seen that rule is carried out at local level, state level, and national level. Democracy functions for the up-
Upliftment.
upliftment of living standard and well-being of the people. People and their needs are kept in center while planning for the future. Democratic rulers govern the government so that the people cast vote in their favor. Democratic values are preserved on the basis of constitution. Development and well-being of the people are given importance in democracy. The government must make plans and schemes to ensure quality, security, and convenience to everybody.
It's not quality, it's equality, okay? Equality, security, and convenience to everybody, okay? Very good, beta. Thank you. So, the value of democracy we have seen. Already we have seen that the rule is carried out at the three levels. है ना? Local, state, and national. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes or no?
yes.
Yes, local, state, and national level. Now, democracy functions. How does it function? It functions for the upliftment of living standard and well-being of the people. Now, democracy कैसे काम करती है? किस लिए काम करती है? हाँ? For the upliftment of the people and well-being, life standard भी अच्छा हो, सुधरे उसके लिए, right? Now, people and their needs are kept in the center while planning for the future. Who is kept in the center? People. और people की जरूरत है, people's need. People and their needs are kept in the center. Is it clear? Considering what? Future. Considering the future. When they sit to plan, they consider the future. Right? And democratic rulers govern the government. Who governs the government? The democratic rulers. So that the people cast vote in their favor. Right? Accordingly, the people will cast their vote. Who are working good and who are not working good, people will not give them votes. Right? Democratic values are preserved on the basis of the Constitution. All the democratic values are based on what, beta? Are based on the basis of the Constitution. Whatever is written in our Constitution, according to that only the democratic values are preserved. Okay? Development and well-being of the people are given importance. Who is given importance?
Development and well-being of the people.
The main thing up also we saw development and the well-being, the living standard should good increase, good, right? And in democracy, the government must make plans and schemes to ensure equality, security, and convenience to everybody, right? In democracy, what should the government have? Must make plans. What should it make? It should make plans and schemes to ensure the equality, the security, and the convenience to everybody. Not only one, two, or three people, but to everybody. है ना? That is what is the value of democracy. Yes, what is the value of democracy? Understood?
Yes,
And
ma'am.
now we will see government and laws. What is government and laws? What is it? How is it related? Okay, it is related by the medium of court. Yes, it is related by the media, by the level of code. You can see this Austin Justice, इसको बोलते हैं Austin Goddess of Justice. You can see she is blindfolded. Blindfolded मतलब कि उनकी आंखों पे काली पट्टी लगाई होती है. लगाई है कि नहीं, राबिया? Yes or no? है ना?
Yes,
आपने देखा होगा पिक्चर्स में, मूवीज में, टेलीविजन में, है ना? पर उनके हाथ में एक ये तराजू भी है. कैन यू सी? Can you see? This is weighing machine in her hand. Can you see?
yes, ma'am.
है ना? तो व्हाट इज शी इंडिकेटिंग के शी इज ब्लाइंड फोल्डेड, मतलब उनकी आंखों पे पट्टी लगाई है. शी इज ब्लाइंड फोल्डेड बट स्टिल कि वो जस्टिस कैसे देते हैं? ऊंच नीच देखे बिना आंखों बंद की है उन्होंने. क्यों आंखें बंद की है? क्योंकि वो सच्चाई सुन रहे हैं और ऊंच नीच नहीं देख रहे हैं. कौन काला, कौन गोरा, कौन ऊंचा, कौन नीचा, ये नहीं देख रहे हैं. और जस्टिस सबको मिल रहा है. तो तराजू में देखो इक्वल हो रहा है, चाहे वो बड़ा हो, चाहे वो छोटा हो, चाहे वो अमीर हो, चाहे वो गरीब हो, चाहे काला हो, चाहे गोरा हो, चाहे कोई भी रिलीजन का हो, चाहे कहाँ से भी आता हो, कौन से भी स्टेट से आता हो, बट व्हाट इज शी गिविंग? शी इज गिविंग justice, equilibrium. Can you see? Equally. Understood? Rabia, understood? Modesa, understood?
Yes.
So it frames law for what? For ensures equality, security, and convenience to everybody. Okay, to whom? To everybody. Yes, monitor, continue. Monitor has left or she is there? Am I audible, beta?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
continue then, Rabia.
Yes, ma'am. And laws. Framing of laws is the work of government. All should follow the laws. Various laws have important place for working of government. Government has power to amend laws along with their implementation. People can challenge the government laws. People can seek cooperation of courts for their rights and against injustice done to them. In the context of the law or producers of the government,
Producers नहीं
when
बेटा,
people
procedures.
procedures of the government, when people feel that they are not implemented properly, they can raise their voice in the court. The court may suggest or order the government for various issues wherever the need is felt.
Now government and law. Okay. Now what is the main work of government? Framing of laws is the work of government. Laws according to constitution, but framing of laws is the work of the government, right? Now all should follow the laws. Who should follow the laws? All citizens. All citizens should follow the law. Not only citizens, if anyone is visiting our country, then they should also follow our country's laws, right? Now various laws have important places for working of the government. कौन से लॉ की कैसी इंपॉर्टेंस है? अलग अलग इंपॉर्टेंस है. every law has its own importance for the working of the government. Yes or no? है ना? Every law has its own importance for the working of the government. And same way, beta, government has powers to amend laws along with their implementation. Government को क्या है? Power है to amend the laws with their implementation, right? People can challenge the government laws, but yes, कभी people को ऐसा लगे कि this law is not proper, then they can challenge the government laws. People can seek cooperation of courts for their rights and against injustice done to them. We can also go to the cooperation of the courts. Courts से हम justice भी मांग सकते हैं कि भाई ये law जो frame हुआ है वो गलत है. जैसे अगर आपको पता हो, nowadays the farmers in Delhi, चलो Delhi आंदोलन is going on, protest is going on. Do you know about that? They are seeking for cooperation to the courts for their rights against injustice which is done to them. They are not satisfied for some things, है ना? So this way they are seeking their rights. They are showing their injustice by different manners. Yes or no, Rabia? है ना? Am I audible?
Yes.
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 Yes. Okay. In the context of law and procedures of the government, when people feel that they are not implemented properly, then they can raise their voice. What can do? They can raise their voice in the court, है ना? And the court may suggest or order the government for various issues. Wherever the need is felt, then what will the court do? कोर्ट में सजेस्ट करेंगे गवर्नमेंट को कि भाई ऐसा नहीं, ऐसा करो तो पीपल के लिए अच्छा है, पीपल को सेटिस्फेक्शन होगा. और अगर कभी गवर्नमेंट ना माने तो उनको ऑर्डर भी करते कि आपको ऐसा करना ही पड़ेगा, अगर ऐसी नीड लगे तो, कोई इश्यू ऐसा हो तो. इज इट क्लियर? then the court will interfere, right? Why they will interfere? They will interfere for the rights of the people. Understood? Understood?
Yes.
Understood, everyone?
Yes.
Yes. Who would like to divide this para? Government and laws?
Can I, Zainab?
Yes, Zainab.
Government laws. The meaning of law is the way the government should various laws have important place for the working of the government. Has power, government has power to amend laws along with their implementation. People can challenge the government laws. People can seek cooperation
Yes, continue.
uh, for their rights and against injustice in
Done
context
to.
the law or produces of the government. When people get disappointed, they can raise their voice in the court, suggest or order the government for various issues wherever the need is felt.
Very good, very good. So, my dear students, understood how the government works, and if there is any problem, if there is any problem, then they will be raising their voice. People has the right.